Listen up. Using a sex toy doesn't mean that something's wrong with your sex life. It means that you're curious enough to make it even better. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Holly, sex and relationship therapist, and welcome to day 7 of the 12 days of Sexmas, where today I'm normalizing pleasure and talking about why toys belong in every nightstand. Here's the thing. Somewhere along the way, sex toys got labeled as replacements instead of enhancements. I can't tell you how many clients I've had whisper to me that they want to try a vibrator, but they're scared to tell their partner. But the truth is, couples who use toys together often report higher sexual satisfaction and better communication. So let's talk about why. Number 1, toys reduce pressure. They take the focus off of performance and put it on exploration. Oftentimes, and especially in cis-het relationships, men are the ones responsible for performing or pleasing their women. But with sex toys, no one person has to do it all. And that allows for less pressure, more relaxation, and a lot more fun. Number 2, sex toys teach you about your body. Vibration, suction, or pressure can reveal the different types of stimulation that you actually like. That knowledge translates directly into better partnered sex because once you know what you like when you are using a sex toy alone, you can communicate that to your partner and thus better your experience of partnered sex. And number 3, they expand pleasure options. Think of toys as instruments in your pleasure band. Each one adds a new sound. Vibrators, wands, suction toys, cock rings, and partner devices, there's something in it for every body. I had a couple once who were both so nervous about sex toys, but after we reframed it as a shared adventure, they picked one out together, and within weeks, their communication and their connection completely transformed. Talking about toys allowed them to break the ice, and once you're able to talk directly and openly about sex, you can talk about pretty much anything. Here's my advice for new sex toy users. If you're new, start simple. A small external vibrator, a body-safe lube, and a spirit of curiosity are all that you need. No agenda, no expectation, just a fun little scavenger hunt of sorts. So here's your challenge. Instead of asking, should we use sex toys? Ask, which one do you want to try first? Thanks so much for watching day 7 of the 12 days of Sexmas, and next video we'll switch gears and talk about how to make your environment sexy. Because sometimes the biggest turn on starts with turning off your phone. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out, and until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and remember, you deserve a healthy, happy, and pleasurable life.